Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on dream decoding. Today we're tackling a number that holds immense power, 0. In the language of dreams, 0 represents power. Think about it. Adding a 0 to any number doesn't just change it. It elevates it to a new level. If the number 9 signifies completion, think of 0 as the powerful leap into the next stage of your evolution. Let's take the number 10. It breaks down to a 1 and a 0. We know that 1 represents individuality. So 10 isn't just about you. It's about a new level of you. The basic level, the 1, is about discovering who you are. The next level, the 10, is about discovering who you are within a group, like your family or your friends. We see this pattern throughout our lives. As a toddler, you learn to walk and talk. That's level 1 of individuality. Then you learn your place in the family dynamic, a new level. Then you go to school and learn who you are among classmates. That's another level up. Each stage is like adding a 0 from 1 to 10 to 100, gaining more and more power in your understanding of yourself. This applies to all the numbers. Let's look at 8, which represents self-value. Imagine you're in a toxic relationship. You finally learn your worth, realize you deserve better, and you leave. You've completed a lesson on the 8 level. Now you find a new, healthy relationship. This partner supports you and helps you deepen your self-worth. You're still learning about self-value, but you've leveled up. You're not on 8 anymore. You're on 80. Life is a series of cycles. You're either spiraling up to new levels of understanding or running in circles, repeating the same lessons. Seeing a 0 in your dream is a powerful sign. It is telling you that an old chapter is complete and it's time to focus on the new one that is beginning. The journey is everything. Once you reach a goal, a new one is already waiting. Remember when you wished for the things you have right now? Soon, you'll have what you're wishing for now, and a whole new set of desires will have already taken their place. These numbers are a roadmap to the evolution of your thoughts. 1 is individuality, 2 is duality, 3 is creation, and so on. Understanding them gives you incredible insight. If you want to dive even deeper and get true clarity on what your dreams are telling you, I highly recommend using the Chitta Dream Decoder. It's a fantastic tool to unlock the messages from your subconscious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more dream wisdom.